Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Pom Calamansi Citrus and Strawberry Soda. First thing you gotta do is open up this Calamansi Citrus and Strawberry Sparkling water and you fill it halfway into this cup. Add in a little more. And then you open up the Pom container. You add in the Pom Juice into this mug. And add a little Calamansi Citrus and Strawberry Sparkling water into this mug. And there you go, folks. Here is your Pom Calamansi Citrus and Strawberry Soda. Enjoy, folks. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you.